Hey guys, back with another quick slay. This wig is from Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig. Her name is Solana and the color is Flamboyage Chocolate. So I did notice that the lace is a bit dark, but that's okay. But she did come with some awesome pre-cut baby hairs that are a bit long, so you're gonna have to trim them down. So after gluing the wig down with the Got To Be glued, I'm just spraying it with the freezing blast spray. I did tie it down for about 5 minutes. So this wig is perfect, guys. Like, if you can't afford those really expensive wigs, this is an awesome alternative. She's beautiful. She gets a little bit tangled, but all you have to do is just carry a brush in your purse and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll be back to give you guys more awesome content.